cat is diagnosed with acute viral bronchitis and is subsequently prescribed a syrup preparation composed of vancomycin and dextromethorphan. You know, this used to be my favorite. I used to buy this all the time sa KFC. Hello, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. To be honest, I've been really slacking with vlogs lately. I haven't been editing and I haven't been vlogging that much, so I'm so sorry about that. Recently talaga, I've been focusing on school and also yung pang free time ko, I've been using to read books. If you saw my last video, if I posted it, I don't even know. Kasi hindi ko pa siya na-edit. I don't know if I like the outcome, but yeah. That's been my life lately. But anyway, today I don't have class anymore. It's almost lunchtime. I just had one class this morning, and then the rest of the morning or the rest of the afternoon will be independent study period. So I'm gonna study for patho and pharma later. I'm just watching YouTube for now, tapos I'm gonna start in a bit.
Contrast, a post-mortem clot does not adhere to the blood vessel wall as there is no pre-existing endothelium. Infarction is defined as an area of ischemic fibrosis of organ or tissues.
I just finished studying for pathology and yun yung lesson namin for today, pero asynchronous class lang kami, kaya I just studied on my own time. It's 3 lecture videos, tapos 1 hour, almost 1 hour each ata siya. So that's what I did, and next I need to study for pharma, but I think I'm gonna start like mga 3:30. I'm gonna rest for like 30 minutes kasi ang haba ng patho, so I need a little bit of rest. I think I'm gonna start a book. I don't know if it's a right move to start a book kasi mamaya ma-distract na naman ako. I might slack off studying again. So, ito yung plano ko sana basahin, Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover. But I don't know. I'm still debating if I should start a book or not. But for now, I think I'm gonna watch YouTube. Our lesson was fluid and hemodynamics for pathology. By the way, kung nakita niyo yung parang mini unboxing or like mini Shopee haul ko, I just got some sticky tabs for my books, but I don't have books yet. Yung Ugly Love kasi sa sister ko to, so as you can see, it already has some sticky tabs, so I can't put sticky tabs on this kasi nga it's not my book. But I don't know. I'm planning to reread. Wait, I'm gonna show you what I'm planning to reread. I think I mentioned this on my May vlog, yung summer vlog ko. Pero never ko siya binasa ulit. And it's The 5 People You Meet in Heaven by Mitch Albom. Super luma na ng book na to kasi ilang beses ko na to binasa. I don't know. I keep not reading it kasi I want something romance. But this one is a really good book as well kasi parang it just makes you think what's gonna happen when you die. Parang ganun siya. Glasses that Anton gave me for my birthday, and I love it so much. I'm still adjusting to the grade of it kasi tumaas na naman yung grade ko, and I haven't had my eyes checked in like years, so I think that's why tumaas yung grade ko. But I'm so happy with how it looks. I love it so much. So by the way, it's from Sunnies Studios or Sunnies Specs. And ang cute ng case. It came in this case. Color pink siya, tapos orange yung back. Tapos yung inside niya is like navy blue. So ito yung old glasses ko. But I'm not gonna wear them anymore. And ito yung panglinis ng glasses. I think that's it for my vlog for today. I didn't really vlog much because we just ate. We didn't do anything else for my birthday. And yeah. Puro online class lang ako recently, kaya hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog. I know this vlog is super chatty, but I'm just thankful for today and every day. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna stop now. I need to study.
When you exercise consistently, you have all of this persistent sympathetic nervous stimulation.
It is currently lunchtime. I had 2 classes this morning. I didn't vlog anymore kasi, I don't know, I keep forgetting to vlog. But my uniform's on my bed. I usually wear it kapag kailangan mag-on cam, and I just wear a tank top underneath kasi super init. Kaya tinatanggal ko na lang pag walang class. So ayan, naka-ready na siya if mag-open cam kami later. I'm just eating dessert while I wait for my next class. So I'm eating this one. This is the cake Anton made for me for my birthday yesterday, and it's Biscoff cheesecake, 2 of my favorite things. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I love Biscoff. Pati yung crust niya, Biscoff siya. Super sarap.
Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me, they'll scream and talk about your destiny. But sunshine, never mind, give me all of your gray skies. I can't hide from the skies above. They're chasing me down, trying to find your love.
Okay, so I got a new table. I actually ordered this last Saturday and today's a Monday and it got shipped right away. I thought pre-order siya pero I guess they had it on hand. That's why I got it right away, and thank you so much to Anton for building it for me while I was studying. And I really love the table. It's smaller than I hoped, but it's better than my table over there. It's wider but also shorter though. Yun lang yung problem ko. But I like that I can put my books on the side, and then it has drawers on the side as well. So I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna link it down below. It's from Shopee, and this is actually my mom's birthday gift for me, so that's why I got it. And I'm really happy kasi natural lighting na lang yung gamit ko. Maybe with this, I can actually make like a desk tour because it looks so much better than my brown table right there. I did not check the dimensions. That's why medyo na-shock ako na it's smaller than I hoped. But it's really perfect for my room kasi medyo maliit lang yung room ko. I still have a lot of space. Or I don't have a lot of space, but I can still fit the other things that were here. Wala akong tinanggal and anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. I need to prepare for something. But yeah, I will talk to you later or tomorrow.
Go say what you need, but don't say it so loud, so you don't hear the words that you say that we both fear. I'm still afraid to know what will happen when I let you go. When I let you go.
Hi everyone, today is a Tuesday. My class just ended. It's 12 noon already and I only have one class today, so 10 to 12 lang yung pasok ko today, and I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm just gonna rest for a while because I slept so late last night. I was editing a video. It's the book video and I'm so scared to post it because I feel like not a lot of people would be interested in that. So, I don't know. Pero sayang kasi if hindi ko siya post kasi it was like a 3-hour long video. And I was able to edit it to 23 minutes ata. And I'm gonna watch it more and see if I can edit it more. But hopefully you enjoy that video kasi pinaghirapan ko yun. It took me like 3 to 4 days to edit. I'm still editing it right now. So yeah, that's my plan for today. And then I'm gonna study later for our classes tomorrow. Yung class ko tomorrow is pharmacology and microbio. Naaral ko na yung microbio. So, pharma na lang, dalawang topics. And also, by the way, I'm really loving my table. It's just white and pink. It looks so good. To be honest, nakaka-motivate mag-aral kapag maganda yung desk setup. And actually, I'm gonna show you how it looks like right now. So, this is my desk setup. I really like it. I'm watching YouTube. But, ayan, it's longer, but it's narrower than my old table. So, sometimes medyo nahihirapan ako magsulat on my iPad, but I can make it work by pushing my laptop back. And, ayan, I have space for my iPad. And then, nandito yung planner ko. Ang daming space. Kahit medyo maliit yung table na to, I have my drawers here. I put my makeup drawers there. Kakaubos ko lang ng coffee ko. And, ayan, I also have a lamp kasi kapag gabi, wala akong light. But, buti na lang kapag morning, meron akong natural light. It just looks so nice. And, it's so pleasing to the eyes.